Under here. Oh, man, we got company.
James, we're above you.
I see you.
We can provide support from up here if things get hairy.
Just tell us who to target.
Aim at that drone.
Got my target.
Okay, now! Open fire! Now, we got a nest! Toss a frag! Close it up! I got him! Took him down!
We got a few more up here. You two push ahead.
Copy that! Watch it! Swarm! Oh shit! Carrier! Bro, we can use those reinforcements right about now!
Condor's almost within range, Delta. Okay, kid. Reinforcements incoming. I've got Guardians or DR1. What do you want?
Drop us some DR1s!
You got it.
Here they are! Finally!
Area of operations is now secure. Thank you for your assistance in this matter.
Hey, Control, that carrier's down. Thanks for the help. Stevies, one of you secure the area. The other's with us. Let's go.
Acknowledged.
Nope, locked. We'll have to find another way to open it. Dave, check that panel.
Whoa, Delta. What the hell did Dave do? Got a lot of strange data here. Top secret stuff.
As far as I know, he's opening a door.
He's doing a lot more than that.
Well, either way, the northern. Thanks, Dave.
So, that data Dave just downloaded? There's a big hole at the highest security clearance.
How does this relate to our mission?
It doesn't, but now I need to know. guessing whatever's missing was pulled from the network.
Well, who'd have the authority to do that?
Back then, only the facility commander. Find his office and poke around.
Okay. We'll go.
Scanning immediate area. Detecting old inferior cog technology.
Oh, come on now. That's just me.
Alongside you.
Found something here. All right, let's find that office.
Comments, concerns, please call or write to the Ministry of Settlements.
Shit! Scion! DB, take it out!
Operating, Lieutenant. Instructions imminent.
Damn it! TD! We just lost our backup!
I got him! Got another! Ah, there. Done. Now let's find that office.
What does a facility commander's office even look like?
I don't know. Think a big door, nameplate, maybe commander written on it.
That's a fair response.
Del, commander's office is through here. This door is locked. Huh, don't think this is it.
Maybe there's a door release in there. Just gotta get Dave inside. Look around for an air duct or something. It's gotta be big enough for Dave.
Not the commander's office. Dave, pulse! Dave, go through that vent. Try to find a release for the door. So, Baird once lost data, huh? What does it even look like?
Well, I mean, if it got pulled from the network, it probably got stored on some kind of external drive. Nice one, Dave.
All right, commander's office. Let's look around. Dave, get this open. Gotcha. Hey, Control. Good news. We found the data drive.
Appreciate it, Delta.
Hey, know what we'd appreciate? Some backup.
What? Where are you?
The silo. We found it. And they're all over us.
Oh, shit, we're on our way. Shit, not this way. Nope, dead end.
Oh shit, they weren't kidding.
Man, we leave you guys alone for 5 minutes!
Yeah, it's goddamn hilarious. Just help us clear them out. Frag out. Did enough to me. All right, control room's clear.
Nice of you guys to show up.
Oh, no problem. Is that rocket attack?
It is, believe it or not.
Good. Then find a port for Dave to plug into. If it checks out, he'll initiate the launch.
It's all yours. Control, you're in. Start the launch sequence.
Pressurized. First stage. Opening silo doors. Error. Error.
Delta,
Error.
we have an issue. The silo hatch. It's not opening.
Of course. I knew that seemed too easy.
Baird, options.
Bug out. Blast doors aren't going to protect you from an exploding rocket.
All right, then we call it. Let's go.
Hydraulic external power to on.
No! We get that hatch open.
What?
Kid, listen to your old man. You got to get out of there.
Damn it, we came here to do this, so let's get it done.
Ignition test commence.
Dave, with me!
Ignition. Engine 1.
God damn it, James.
I have got to learn to stop following you.
Yeah, good luck with that. Let's get that hatch open. So what's our plan? I don't know. Gotta be a manual override near the top. Find our way up. Got it. Dave, lower that platform.
Ignition. Engine 2.
That's not good. No, it's not. Gotta be kidding me. Shit, another gap.
Ignition. Engine 3.
Bring it down, Dave. Del, how many engines does a rocket have? Usually 4.
Ignition. Engine 4.
Oh, come on. Up there. I'm gonna hear what's not your finest idea, man. Drop one. Got it. It's raining goddamn shooters! Catwalk's not gonna hold! 2 seconds, it won't matter! Shit! Come on.
15 seconds to launch.
You gotta go!
10 seconds to launch.
Dave's still out there!
Five,
Who gives a shit? He's a robot.
That's not his fault!
1.
Gotcha!
Liftoff.
Unbelievable.
Sam, we're ready for extraction.